and 1 point from floral character, that is inflorescence. Yes. Now we have to see about the flower of Apocynaceae, and in this case the flower is bracteate or ebracteate. Flower is bracteate or ebracteate, but in case of Catharanthus roseus, particularly the member of family Apocynaceae, that is Catharanthus roseus, or commonly it is called as Sadabahar. Commonly it is called as Sadabahar. The flower is ebracteate, but in some species of Apocynaceae, flower is bracteate. Flower is bracteate or ebracteate, but in this case, in this figure, the flower is ebracteate, and the flower in figure shows the example of Catharanthus roseus, commonly known as Sadafuli or Sadabahar. Then flower is pedicellate. In this case, in the member family Apocynaceae, flower is pedicellate, and pedicel is very small. And pedicel is very small. Then it is complete. Complete, that is nothing but presence of flower parts, calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. It is actinomorphic. Flower is actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means we have seen in family Solanaceae and Malvaceae, the flower is actinomorphic. What is actinomorphic flower? What is zygomorphic flower? Means a actinomorphic flower is nothing but a flower in ALS cut off into two equal halves, two equal parts in more than one longitudinal plane. एक से ज्यादा अगर एलियस लिए रहे अपन, एक एलियस लिए तो भी उसके एक साइड से एलियस लिए तो दो इक्वल पार्ट होना, दूसरे साइड से लिए तो भी दो इक्वल पार्ट होना, तीसरे साइड से भी लिए तो दो इक्वल पार्ट होना. Such a type of flower is called as actinomorphic flower. And in short, shape of all petals are equal. In short, सब petal का अगर shape एक जैसा है, the flower is actinomorphic. And if one petal or one petal is small or large, whether it may be small or large, the flower is zygomorphic. अगर एक petal flower का छोटा है या एक petal बड़ा है ना, compared to remaining four. Suppose in a flower, the number of petals are 5, and among these 5 petals, one petal is small or one petal is large. The flower is called as zygomorphic flower. But in this case, in case of family Apocynaceae and members of family Apocynaceae, the flower is actinomorphic. Then flower is bisexual. Flower is bisexual. Bisexually आपको मालूम है, it is pentamerous. ना, pentamerous, number of sepals, petals and stamens are 5 in number or multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Such type of flower is called as pentamerous flower. Sometimes tetramerous. In some cases, generally flowers are pentamerous, but in some cases flowers are tetramerous. Tetramerous means the number of petals, sepals and stamens are 4. That is nothing but tetramerous flower. Means generally flowers are pentamerous in Apocynaceae. Sometimes they are tetramerous in nature. And flower is hypogynous. What is hypogynous flower? Hypogynous flower is nothing but a flower in which ovary is superior. Flower in which ovary is superior means ovary topmost position and all the 3 remaining parts, that is calyx, corolla and androecium, originate from the base of the ovary, and ovary is at topmost position. Such type of flower is called such type of ovary is called as superior ovary. And hypogynous flower के अंदर क्या है? Ovary is superior means all the 3 remaining parts originate from the base of the ovary. So flower क्या है? Flower is bracteate, sometimes ebracteate. It is pedicellate, complete, actinomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous, or sometimes tetramerous, and they are hypogynous. They are hypogynous. Then we have to see the first floral one, that is calyx. Calyx is composed of sepals, or group of sepal is nothing but calyx. And in this case, a member of family Apocynaceae, sepals are 5. No, sepals are 5. Rarely 4. For example, in case of tetramerous flower, the sepals are 4. Means generally sepals are 5. Rarely 4. Sometimes 4 means 4 कहाँ पर रहेंगे? Where the flower tetramerous. जहाँ पर flower tetramerous है, sepals are 4. They are polysepalous or gamosepalous. Sepals are polysepalous or gamosepalous. Means in some cases sepals are free from each other. In some cases sepals are united to each other. No, sepals are free or united means they are polysepalous or gamosepalous. And the type of estivation is valvate or quincunxial. Type of estivation is valvate or quincunxial. Yes, valvate estivation that we have seen. Valvate में क्या है? All the yes, margin of all the sepals meet with their margin without overlapping. जहाँ पर sepals ले हुए हैं, such type of estivation is called as valvate estivation. Now, what is quincunxial estivation?
जी सर.
What is quincunxial estivation? In case of family Apocynaceae, the type of estivation is valvate. In some members, valvate estivation in there, and in some member of family Apocynaceae, the type of estivation is quincunxial. What is quincunxial? What is imbricate estivation? So
एक पूरा मतलब एक अंदर रहता और एक एजेस उसके मतलब एक पूरा अंदर रहता है, एक पूरा बाहर रहता है.
अच्छा, and remaining for 3?
वैसे ही सर, अल्टरनेटली एक पूरा बाहर, एक पूरा अंदर, एक पूरा बाहर.
Yes. Quincunxial estivation, that is the imbricate estivation. Imbricate estivation में क्या है? One sepal is completely internal, one sepal is completely external, है ना? That is imbricate estivation, and remaining 3 are partly internal, partly external. But quincunxial estivation में क्या है? 2 sepals are internal, 2 are external, and only one is partly external, partly internal. Yes, that is quincunxial estivation. Quincunxial or imbricate, both are the same, but the number of sepals are internal and external, they are different. In case of imbricate estivation, one sepal is completely internal, one is completely external, and remaining 3 are partly internal, partly external. But in case of quincunxial estivation, 2 sepals are completely internal, 2 are completely external, and remaining 1 is partly internal, partly external. Such type of estivation is called as quincunxial estivation. Then calyx is persistent. What is persistent calyx? We have seen in family Solanaceae, calyx is persistent. Solanaceae, in case of Solanaceae also the calyx is persistent.
Permanent, sir.
Yes, the calyx is permanent in case of Apocynaceae also. Then next we have to see, that is corolla. No. Corolla is composed of petals, or group of petals are nothing but corolla. No. So in this case, number of petals are 5 or rarely 4. जैसा अपन पेंटामेरस फ्लावर अगर देख रहे हैं तो number of petals are 5. अगर टेट्रामेरस फ्लावर देख रहे हैं तो number of petals are 4. है ना? Yes, they are gamopetalous. Means all the petals are fused to each other. All the petals are fused to each other. Means gamopetalous. अब यहाँ पर आपको ये पेटल्स दिखेंगे तो फ्री दिख रहे हैं. ये फ्लावर फिगर दिख रही है आपको? फ्लावर, एंटायर फ्लावर, ये फ्लावर दिख रहा है. हाँ, ये तो करोला के पेटल तो फ्री दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, है कि नहीं? हाँ, तो these are free. तो अपन यहाँ लिख रहे gamopetalous. यहाँ तो पॉलीपेटलस आना चाहिए ना? आना चाहिए कि नहीं आना चाहिए? आना चाहिए. But here these are the petals, and these all petals are united to this corolla tube. It is nothing but corolla tube. It is not pedicel. दिख रहा है आपको? पिंक कलर. This is not pedicel, this is the corolla tube, and these all petals are united to this corolla tube. That's why petals are gamopetalous. That's why petals are gamopetalous. Yes, and the aestivation is twisted or valvate. The aestivation is twisted or valvate. Valvate aestivation मालूम है? What is twisted aestivation?
सर सिंगल सिंगल इंटरनल रहता है, एक
Yes.
उसके ऊपर से एक इंटरनल आएगा.
Yes. All the petals are partly internal, partly external. Means one margin of petal is overlapped by the one margin of neighboring petal. Yes. तो यहाँ पर देखो ये एक ये दिख रहा है, नीचे की फिगर देखो, ये दिख रही फिगर. यहाँ पर देखो एस्टिवेशन कैसा दिख रहा है, यहाँ पर ट्विस्टेड एस्टिवेशन. ये एक पार्ट अंदर एक पार्ट बाहर, इसका एक पार्ट अंदर एक बाहर, एक अंदर एक बाहर, एक अंदर एक बाहर, एक अंदर एक बाहर है गए. ये फ्लावर देख लो आप, एकदम क्लियर कट है यहाँ पर ट्विस्टेड एस्टिवेशन. In case of Catharanthus roseus, that is Sadavar or Sadapoli, the type of estivation is twisted estivation. Type of estivation is twisted. समझ में आएगी?
जी सर.
Then now we have to see the third floral whorl or first male whorl. First reproductive whorl. Third floral whorl or first reproductive whorl or first essential whorl, that is androecium. It is also called as first reproductive whorl, third floral whorl or male whorl of a flower, that is androecium. And androecium is the essential floral organ of the flower. It is the essential floral organ. So in this case we have to write, in case of androecium we have to write number of stamens. अब इसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ स्टेमेंस कितने हैं? स्टेमेंस आर एज मेनी एज करोला लोब. स्टेमेंस आर, अब यहाँ पर नंबर दिया हुआ नहीं है. स्टेमेंस आर एज मेनी एज करोला लोब्स मींस इन केस ऑफ पेंटामेरस फ्लावर द नंबर ऑफ करोला लोब्स आर 5. इन सच कंडीशन नंबर ऑफ स्टेमेंस आर 5. इन केस ऑफ टेट्रामेरस फ्लावर द नंबर ऑफ करोला लोब्स आर 4. करोला लोब्स आर नथिंग बट पेटल्स, है ना. In case of tetramerous flower, number of corolla lobes are 4, and in such cases, number of stamens are also 4. Means stamens number क्या है? Number of stamens are as many as the corolla lobes. यहाँ पर number indicate नहीं किया. Why? Because in case of tetramerous flower, the number of corolla lobes of petals are 4. That's why the number of stamens are also 4. In case of pentamerous flower, the number of corolla lobes are 5. That's why the number of stamens are also 5. Yes, and they are alternating with the corolla lobe. They are alternating with the corolla lobe. Means जहां पर corolla का petal का खत्म ये जो एज है वहां पर आपको stamen दिखेगा, है ना. Opposite to corolla रहेगा. Suppose it is the ये यहाँ पर व्हाइट कलर दिख रहा है, या करोला यहाँ पर रहेगा स्टेमन, ये इसके साइड में रहेगा. मींस अल्टरनेट टू द करोला. प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टेमन इज अल्टरनेटिंग विद द करोला लोब्स और पेटल. यस. देन पॉलीएंड्रस stamens are polyandrous. What is polyandrous stamens, Minaj?
pollen grain रहता है उसकी.
No. Polyandrous stamens are, all the stamens are independent. All the stamens are independent. Independent means they are not bounded, grouped in bundles, in one bundle or two bundle, or they are not, with the help of their filament as well as their anthers, or only filaments or only anthers, है ना. ऐसी कोई कंडीशन नहीं रहती इसके अंदर. Polyandrous stamens are, they are, all the stamens are independent. अपना अपना स्टेम है वहां पर, अपना अपना सिंगल स्टेमन रहेगा. They are not grouped in bundles with the help of their filament or with the help of their anthers, whatever it may be. They are independent. वो ग्रुप में नहीं है, एक साथ नहीं है. Such type of stamens are called as polyandrous stamens, and they are inserted at the mouth of corolla tube. They are inserted at the mouth of corolla tube. Means आपको जैसा दत्ता के अंदर या हिबिस्कस के अंदर जैसे स्टेमेंस क्लियर दिखते हैं, फिलामेंट दिखता है, ऐसा इसके अंदर स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. They are inserted on at the mouth of corolla lobe. So this figure, in this case, these two are विजिबल स्टेमेंस, यहाँ पर अभी एलिस फ्लावर का एलिस लिया हुआ है, ये फिगर दिख रही है आपको लेफ्ट साइड की।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो ये जो दिख रहे हैं, दीज आर द स्टेमेंस, दीज आर द स्टेमेंस व्हिच आर इंसर्टेड और लोकेटेड एट द माउथ ऑफ करोला ट्यूब। ये करोला ट्यूब का माउथ है, ये करोला ट्यूब है, दीज आर द पेटल्स एंड दीज आर स्टेमेंस, मींस ऑल स्टेमेंस, whether they are 4 or 5 in number, they are inserted at the mouth of corolla tube। यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, करोला के ऊपर नहीं दिखेंगे आपको, इसके अंदर करोला ट्यूब के अंदर जो है तो they are inserted or present or attached at the mouth of corolla tube। Yes, they are epipetalous, they are epipetalous, epipetalous means what?
United.
They are united to, they are united to petals, no, epipetalous stamens are nothing but stamens are attached to petals called as epipetalous, and filament is very short, in this case filament is very short, filament is very short means मैं पहले बताया आपको, इसके अंदर filament आपको नजर नहीं आएगा, filament is very short। yes, then anthers are dorsifixed and enrolled, anthers are dithecous, dorsifixed and enrolled, no, so anthers are dorsifixed means filament is attached to the back of the anther is called as dorsifixed anther। So in this case, in the member of family Apocynaceae, filaments are dorsifixed means, sorry, anthers are dorsifixed means filaments are attached to the back of the anther. They are dithecous, dithecous means two-celled structure is there, two-celled structure is there, such type of anthers are called as dithecous anther, and they are intrused, they are intrused means at maturity the anthers dies inside the flower, that is intrused anther। Then we have to see the floral second reproductive whorl or female whorl of a flower, that is gynoecium, gynoecium is female reproductive organ of the flower, and in gynoecium is nothing but it is bicarpellary syncarpus, bicarpellary means carpels are two, means compound pistil is there, bicarpellary ovary is there, and they are syncarpus, that in this case syncarpus or apocarpus भी लिखना है यहाँ पर, because in the family Apocynaceae and the member that is Catharanthus roseus, the ovary of the gynoecium is apocarpus, है ना, bicarpellary syncarpus, ovaries are free, ovaries are free। अब यहाँ पर syncarpus लिखे तो यहाँ और लिखना है, यहाँ पर ओवरी के बाद जो है ये जो कार्पेल से जो दिख रहे हैं आपको फिगर, टीएस ऑफ ओवरी दिख रहा है यहाँ पर।
जी सर।
हाँ, these two carpels are free from each other, two carpels are free from each other, they are not united, they are not united to each other, they are free from each other, that's why this ovary is bicarpellary apocarpus, bicarpellary apocarpus, ovaries are free, nothing is nothing but they are apocarpus in nature, they are apocarpus in nature means gynoecium is bicarpellary apocarpus, है ना, and it is superior, ovary is superior, why? Because in case of flower we have seen flower is hypogynous, hypogynous flower तो क्या, ovary occupies the topmost position, ovary is superior, वहां पर भी देखे अपन ने hypogynous flower है, और यहाँ पर भी क्या है, ovary superior का मीनिंग क्या है, जो अपन ने वहां पर डेफिनेशन देखे, ovary occupies the topmost position, remaining three floral organs originate from the base of the ovary, है ना, that's why ovary is superior in Apocynaceae and placentation is marginal, placentation is marginal means these are the ovules, these ovules are attached to the margin, they are not attached to the axis of the ovary, ovary की axis को attach किए ओवुल ये नहीं है, यहाँ पर प्लासेंटा है और इसके मार्जिन को जो है तो ओव्यूल्स अटैच है, दैट्स व्हाई प्लासेंटेशन इज मार्जिनल। Then style is long. This is the style which is long. क्लियर कट दिख रहे हैं आपको स्टाइल. यस. देन स्टिग्मा ड्रम शेप. स्टिग्मा क्या है इसका? ड्रम शेप. ड्रम मालूम है आपको? ड्रम शेप स्टिग्मा एंड स्टिकी. स्टिग्मा इज स्टिकी इन नेचर. स्टिकी मीन्स स्टिकी मालूम है आपको?
चिपचिपा.
Yes, that is stigma is sticky in nature. And in this case, in the member of family Apocynaceae, that is Catharanthus roseus, for example, two ligulate hypogynous nectaries are present. These are the nectaries. यहाँ पर दे ये scaly nectar. It is nothing but nectaries. Two nectaries are present. One on anterior side and the other on the posterior side of the ovary. So this is the posterior side, anterior side. These are the two nectaries which are present. One is present at the anterior side and one is present at the posterior side of the ovary. नेक्टरी बोले, नेक्टरी का क्या काम है? These nectaries secrete nectar, है ना? These nectaries secretes nectar. What is nectar? Nectar बोले तो क्या? Nectar is nothing but sticky juice, है ना? जूस चिकट पदार्थ जिसको बोलेंगे अपन. नेक्टार सिक्रेटिंग, मतलब नेक्टारीज आर देयर. ये नेक्टार सिक्रेशन का काम है. मींस इन दिस केस ओवरी इज बाइलरी, दे आर फ्री फ्रॉम ईच अदर, दैट इज अपोकार्पस. ओवरी इज सुपेरियर, प्लासेंटेशन इज मार्जिनल, स्टाइल लॉन्ग, स्टिग्मा ड्रम शेप्ड एंड स्टिकी, एंड दीज टू नेक्टारीज आर प्रेजेंट. One is on anterior side and one is on posterior side of the ovary. Yes, this is all about the gynoecium. Then we have to see floral formula. है ना? फ्रूट, इसके अंदर फ्रूट वन इज रिमेनिंग. फ्रूट इज इटारियो ऑफ फॉलिकल, है ना? इटारियो मीन्स ग्रुप. इसके फ्रूट भी पेयर में मिलेंगे, है ना? In case of Catharanthus roseus, groups are found in pairs. That's why they are itario of follicles. They are itario of follicles. And this one, that is floral formula and floral diagram. Floral formula and floral diagram. So in this case, in case of Catharanthus roseus, flower is ebracteate, है ना? EBR means flower is ebracteate. Flower is ebracteolate. अब ebracteolate आपने यहाँ पर नहीं भी लिखे तो चलता. Why? Because when flower is ebracteate, it is ebracteolate also, है ना? It is ebracteate. जब भी flower ebracteate रहेगा तो flower ebracteolate होना चाहिए, है ना? तो if suppose flower is bracteate, if suppose flower is bracteate, तो flower is bracteolate रहना जरूरी नहीं है. वो ब्रैक्टियोलेट भी हो सकता या इब्रैक्टियोलेट भी हो सकता. बट इफ फ्लावर इज इब्रैक्टिएट, है ना? अगर यहाँ पर ईबीआर लिखे तो ये ईबीआर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, यहाँ पर बीआर लिखे तो बीआर लिखना जरूरी है. हो भी सकता, नहीं भी हो सकता. बिकॉज व्हेन फ्लावर इज ब्रैक्टिएट, इट मे बी ब्रैक्टियोलेट नॉट, है ना? बट व्हेन इट इज इब्रैक्टिएट, इट इज इब्रैक्टियोलेट आल्सो. यस. So flower is ebracteate, ebracteolate. Then flower is actinomorphic. It is bisexual. Then calyx, number of sepals are 5 and they are united. They are united. And then petals are also 5. They are also united. Means calyx is gamopetalous. Corolla is also gamopetalous. Then stamens 5 and they are polyandrous. हाँ, यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट है, किसको नहीं है? एंड्रोशियम के 5 को ब्रैकेट नहीं है, स्टेमेंस 5 को ब्रैकेट नहीं है. मींस फ्लावर एंड्रोशियम स्टेमेंस आर 5 and they are polyandrous and they are also epipetalous. This is nothing but epipetalous. Gynoecium bicarpellary. Here also bracket is absent. 2 नंबर को ब्रैकेट नहीं है. जी के बेस को 2 लिखा है और वो ब्रैकेट नहीं है. मींस ovary is apocarpus. Carpels are free from each other, है ना? अगर if ovary is syncarpus तो ये 2 को ब्रैकेट करते हैं अपन, और if ovary is apocarpus तो ब्रैकेट is absent. तो gynoecium bicarpellary, apocarpus and superior. This underline on G is the case,
Superior.
gynoecium is superior, है ना, over is superior. Means floral formula में क्या है, ebracteate, ebracteolate, actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5, gamma-petalous, petals 5, gamma-petalous, stamens also 5. They are polyandrous and epipetalous, and gynoecium bicarpellary, apocarpus, and superior. So this is the description of floral formula. Yes. Then now we have to see the floral diagram. Floral diagram में क्या है? In this case क्या flower actinomorphic है. These number of petal sepals are 5. They are united. This is nothing but union of the sepals. This coupling shows the union of sepal, means sepals 5, gamosepalous. Petals also 5. Petals also 5. They are also gamma-petalous. ये यहाँ पर यूनाइट हो गए है ना. एंड टाइप ऑफ एस्टिवेशन इज ट्विस्टेड. हाँ, यहाँ पर टाइप ऑफ एस्टिवेशन इज वाइड. हियर टाइप ऑफ एस्टिवेशन इज ट्विस्टेड. एंड हियर the number of stamens are also 5. This yellow colored are representing the stamens. ये क्या है? येलो कलर स्टेमेन है. और ये स्टेमेन कितने हैं? 5 है. दे पेटल्स मींस दे आर टू पेटल्स, है ना, दिखा है यहाँ पर आपको. देन दे आर अल्टरनेटिंग विद द पेटल. दे आर अल्टरनेटिंग विद द पेटल. यहाँ इंडिकेट हो रहा है आपको. ये पेटल यहाँ खत्म हो रहा, स्टेमेन आ रहा, फिर यहाँ पेटल खत्म हो रहा, स्टेमेन आ रहा, फिर यहाँ पेटल खत्म हो रहा, स्टेमेन, फिर यहाँ स्टेमेन. मींस दे आर अल्टरनेटिंग विद द पेटल. If suppose the stamens are opposite to petal, तो यहाँ पर रहा होता है पेटल के सेंटर में stamen present बताना पड़ा होता आपको. But in this case, in the member of family Apocynaceae, the stamens are 5 and they are alternate with the petal. They are alternate with the petal and they are also epipetalous. And lastly here, this is nothing but the ovary, bicarpellary apocarpus, bicarpellary apocarpus, and marginal placentation is there. So this is the description of floral diagram. It is nothing but a description of floral diagram. Yes. And now lastly, last slide, that is we have to see the economic importance of Apocynaceae. Yeah, Solanaceae, why? This is nothing but it is Apocynaceae. Yes.
Okay.
It is not Solanaceae. It is Apocynaceae. Yes. So in this case, Nerium indica, that is Caner, generally it is called as Caner. They are grown as hedge plants and the plant possess medicinal properties. It is also garden plant. Caner आपको मालूम है, कनर गार्डन में भी लगाते, हेज प्लांट बोल के भी लगाते, और इट also possess the medicinal properties. ये आपको 2-3 पॉइंट में लिखना है इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस के. Then Raoulpia serpentina, it is also called as छोटा चांद. Raoulpia serpentina, that is Chota Chan, that is Sarpagandha also. The root possess medicinal properties and are used in the treatment of hypertension, mental disorders. Hypertension में इसके रूट्स काम आएंगे और mental disorder में इसके रूट काम आएंगे Raoulpia serpentina के. Then last में क्या है? Theosia peruviana, that is पीली कनेर. Theosia peruviana, that is पीली कनेर. In this case, the plants are grown as ornamentals. The plants are grown as ornamentals. In case of Nerium indicum also, Caner also, it is also grown as ornamentals. They are also grown as hedge plant. Caner and Pili Caner, Gulabi Caner and Pili Caner, they are the different species only. Yes, and though both are the ornamentals and both are used as a hedge plant, the latex is highly poisonous of Theosia peruviana. Pili Caner का latex, it is a highly poisonous. तो ये क्या है? इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस भी आपको लिखना है पेपर के अंदर. क्यों लिखना है? क्वेश्चन कैसा रहेगा? डिस्क्राइब फैमिली सो एंड सो विथ रेफरेंस टू सिस्टमैटिक पोजीशन, वेजिटेटिव कैरेक्टर, फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर एंड इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस, है ना. तो ये आपको क्वेश्चन ही जैसा रहता कि आपको वेजिटेटिव कैरेक्टर डिस्क्राइब करना है, फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर डिस्क्राइब करना है, इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस एटलीस्ट 2 प्लांट की इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस लिखना है आपको. क्वेश्चन क्या, जब क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा आपको, तो आपको फैमिली जब डिस्क्राइब करना है तो पहले आपको लिखना है सिस्टेमेटिक पोजीशन, देन यू हैव टू राइट द वेजिटेटिव कैरेक्टर, देन फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर्स एंड द लास्ट में आपको लिखना है इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस. So this is all about family Apocynaceae. Yesterday we have seen the vegetative character and systematic position of Apocynaceae, and today we have finished the floral characters, and here the Apocynaceae is finished. Tomorrow we will see the next family. Tomorrow we will see next family. यहाँ तक ठीक है, समझ में आ गया सब आपके?
जी सर.
हाँ
कौन कौन है? मिनाज, मरियम, तैयबा और फीजा. मरियम का क्या हाल है? मरियम
हाँ सर.
समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर समझा.
फीजा, फीजा समझ में आया कि फीजा? ठीक है. मिनाज?
यस सर.
तैयबा?
जी सर समझा.
ओके ठीक है. कल मिलेंगे अपन. कल नेक्स्ट फैमिली स्टार्ट करेंगे और टाइम देखेंगे, अपन डिसाइड करेंगे, ग्रुप पे डिस्कस करेंगे.
हाँ ना सर.
ओके
केमिस्ट्री का भी था सर. जी सर.
ओके.